Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine text and image prompts in Adobe Firefly. Let's get started. First, open the Adobe Firefly app and on the home screen, tap Text to Image to start a new generation. And in the prompt box, type what you want the AI to generate. Example, a futuristic city skyline at night with glowing lights. Then here, tap on Styles or Reference Image and you'll find an option to upload an image as a reference style. And this image will act as a visual guide for colors, textures, or layout. And choose an image from your phone. Firefly will blend your image look with your text prompts. And use a slider to control how strongly the AI should follow the reference image. Then, tap Generate and let Adobe Firefly create four variations based on your combined text and image prompts. Then select your favorite result and tap download to save it. And for the better result, you can use a clear and specific prompts. And for consistency, reuse the same reference image and try different effects and lighting setting after combining both prompts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.